Hello, 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 hello. Hello, mic check. So, good day, sir. So, for this course output in Net 102, I will be demonstrating how to design a VLAN network diagram in Cisco Packet Tracer and how to configure the switches with VLANs and trunk ports, and finally how to simulate connectivity between two buildings. So, ito yung building 1 sa kaliwa and building 2 sa kanan. Lang maliit ata yung camera. Yan, kita ba? And so here in our scenario, we have these two buildings. Building 1 dito sa switch 0 and building 2 dito sa switch 1, and it has three departments. So HM, CIT, and KABA. For each department belongs to a specific IP address range, and both buildings must communicate through VLANs. Ano to? FA0. Yan. So each VLAN, so ito, may mga sarili na rin silang IP address, default gateway, subnet mask, default gateway. Ba't nagtatype siya mag-isa ba? Yarns. Di na mabasa. And wait lang, may ginagawa ng saglit. So here sir is my complete network topology. So dito sa HM department is the VLAN 10, CIT is the VLAN 20, and KABA department is the VLAN 30. So next I will show you the configure for switch 0, which belongs to the building 1. So I created the VLANs using these following commands. Asan na yun? Ang daming error. So asan na yun? VLAN 10, VLAN 10. Ito sir, tong part na to. I created their VLANs using these commands. Tong VLAN 10 named HM, VLAN 20 CIT named CIT, VLAN 30 named KABA, and I also assigned access ports for each department. For example, so fast Ethernet 1, wait lang, X natin to. Fast Ethernet 1 is dito sa laptop 0 dito. Laptop 0 dito, connect natin sa pangalan nito, switch 0, and then laptop 1 ditong fast Ethernet 2 to 4 dito sa itong fast Ethernet 1 to 4 is belong siya sa itong VLAN 1 to 5 is belong siya sa dito sa HM department, and then dito sa 6 to 10 is belong siya sa CIT, and here naman sa VLAN 30 is 11 to 17 is dito siya sa KABA department. Yes, yun. KABA department. And yun. So open yung 18 fast Ethernet 18, since wala nang laptop na mako-connect dyan, wala na tayong itutuloy dyan. and this allows all VLANs to travel between both switches. Ay, wait lang. For the trunk port connection pa pala. Dito sa ano, router router 1, ginamit ko is Gigabit Ethernet 1, naka-connect siya dito sa switch 0 row, and I use switch port mode trunk and switch port trunk, asa na yun, mode trunk, and switch port trunk allowed VLAN 10, 20, 30, and yun. And now I will show switch 1 the same VLAN where created VLAN 10, 20, and 30. So the department here dito naman sa building 2 were also assigned to correct access ports again, and Gigabit 01 is configured as the trunk port. Saan na yun? Yun, Gigabit 01. Okay. So dito naman sir, sa mga departments, they have each device was given an IP address based on the instructions. May mga IP address na rin siya dito sa building 2. Dito sa HM department here is meron siya yung recommended IP address na 10.0.1.6. So yan na yung ginawan ko ng IP address 10.0.1.6 hanggang 6, 7, 8, 9 hanggang 10. Hanggang 10 IP address dito sa HM department, and here naman sa CIT is hanggang 172.16.0.9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 to 16 IP address siya since 8 devices yung sakop ng CIT department. So here naman sa Kaba is merong 4, and I use the IP address based on the instruction na 192.168.2.8 hanggang 11. Ano ba yung napipindot? Hanggang 11, sir. And magkakasunod na yan kung ito is 8, itong ano ba yan? Kala ko nawala na, sabay di pa masasave tong project. 8, 9, this is 10, and 11. So that will be their IP addresses. So devices in building 1 and building 2 share the same IP range depending on their department. So next, connectivity testing, ping demo. So now I will test the connectivity between devices in building 1 and building 2. Since they belong to the same VLANs, they should be able to communicate. So first test in dito sa HM, command prompt ping. Wait lang, ping natin ngayon is ping wait lang, nawala na ako. Okay, 10.0.1.2. piping natin siya is 10.0.1.2, no? So here napiping siya kasi ano is as you can see, the ping is successful. This means VLAN 10 is working across both buildings, no? And here naman, let's test another device dito sa VLAN 20, dito sa laptop 3. Command prompt, ping 172.16.0, try natin 9 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it should be here dito sa CIT department. If wala, edi wala. Yun, as you can see, nag-request timeout siya kasi wala yung ping na 172.16.9 dito sa CIT department natin, which is meron dito is 2 hanggang 8. So let's try na iping yung dito kasi sa building to yung merong so let's try again. One 172.16.0.8. Ay, sorry, ping the 172.16.0.8. yun, dito siya sa CIT Building 1 Department. Enter. Let's see kung meron. 1 pala to. Okay, try natin ulit. Timeout pa siya. Ping 172.16.2 3 4 5 6 7 8 0.2. So since ito yung PC to, piping natin yung IP nya. Okay, so here the ping is successful. The Kaba VLAN is active between both switches. Yes, so here sir, may final kagagawan. So I created the VLAN 10, 20 and 30 for HM, CIT and Kappa department, and I configured the gigabit Ethernet for both trunk ports. So you can see this is the final, sir. Meron siyang VLAN 10, 20, 30 and connected siya for both buildings. And so this completes my VLAN configuration activity, sir. Since hindi siya ma-send, hindi siya ma-save, sir. Sa kanya dito, you have used 3 of your 3 saves available in the version of Packet Tracer. So this video proves that I created this this activity na lang. So I think this is all, and that's all, sir, and thank you. Have a good day.